Hello everyone, so here we are going to start CIL PYQ solutions and this is part 2. Before you got from question 1 to 10, here we will get again number of 10 questions. So let's start. So this is CIL Geologist Test Series. Apart from this, OpenGeology platform also provides CSIR, NET, Scientist, GSI, GATE, IIT JAM, PSUs and state professors exams test series. So you can join those test series also. Now coming to the question number 11, if we are going through this PDF, we can say it is question number first for this video. The difference between magma and lava is, so the correct option is magma is found beneath the surface while lava is at the surface. So here in the picture we can see that molten rock found beneath the earth's surface and magma that has reached the earth's surface. It has been shown in figure. If it is inside the earth, it is magma, and if it is out over the surface of the earth, it is lava. So here question number 2 is, homeostasis means a system needs external force to maintain a state of equilibrium, system in which threshold has been breached, system that cannot maintain balance, system that can maintain the equilibrium. So correct option is system can maintain a state of equilibrium. Here you can see the definition. Homeostasis means a system that can maintain a state of equilibrium. It is the ability of a system like the human body to keep internal conditions stable and balanced despite changes in the environment. So in the question number 3, in which environment will you find maximum soil thickness? Humid tropical, humid mid latitude, periglacial and tropical wet dry. So the correct option is humid tropical. Let's see the reason for this. So in the humid tropical region, warm temperatures and high rainfall promote intense weathering and organic matter buildup, leading to maximum soil thickness. In humid mid latitude, moderate temperature and rainfall, periglacial, low temperature and short growing seasons, tropical wet dry, you can see the seasonal rainfall with dry periods. So the correct option is humid tropical. Question number 14 or question number 4, what is the decay constant of an isotope which has a half-life of 20 million? So let's see the solution. Here the formula of decay constant of isotope lambda is equal to 0.693 upon T half, that is half-life. So here given the half-life is 20 million, that is 2 into 10 to the power 7 years. Now we will put the value of T here, 2 into 10 to the power 7, then we will get 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 8. So the correct answer is second, that is B, 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now the next question is, what will be the typical value of the SP of a massive sulfide ore? Few turns to millivolts, few volts, few millivolts, few hundred millivolts. So which is the correct option? Here the correct option is few hundred millivolts. Here you can see SP, self potential, spontaneous potential. SP is a natural electrical voltage generated in the ground due to the movement of underground fluid and mineralization. So you can go through other parts also, why SP is important and how SP is generated in massive sulfide ores. The typical value of SP is few hundred millivolts. Next question, in which of the following system there is no flow of mass, and energy? So first system is cascading system, and second system is process response system, and third system is morphological system, and one option is all of the options. So correct option here is D, that is morphological system. Let's see the explanation. By mistake the explanation is just came before here, so let me go there. So here explanation for morphological system is: a morphological system is a closed system with no exchange of mass and energy with its surroundings. So it is the correct option. Let's see what is cascading system. So material and energy move from one part to another part step by step in order. Process response system: a process leads to changes, and those changes create further responses within the system. So here changes will occur, flow of mass, flow of energy will occur. That's why these options are not correct, and morphological system is correct option. Now coming to the next question, what is an aquifer in which the fluid has a free surface known as? So options given here is an unconfined aquifer, a confined aquifer, a porous aquifer, a confined aquifer. So the correct option is A, an unconfined aquifer. Let's see why. So here you can see, in unconfined aquifer, here on the top you will get the free surface from where within the porous parts the water can rise above the surface, and it is divided into unsaturated, saturated or unconfined aquifer zone. But in confined you will see bounded by impermeable layers above and below, no free surface on the top. Porous aquifer, water stored in pore spaces of unconsolidated materials. So here all the water is stored in pore spaces, there is no free surfaces. That's why unconfined aquifer is the correct answer. P waves generally through rocks experiencing increased pressure at higher depth. Option A is travel slower, option B is travel faster, option C is die out rapidly, option 4 is travel at the same velocity. So here correct option is travel faster. P waves generally travel faster through rocks experiencing increased pressure at higher depth. Why option A is incorrect? With increased pressure, rocks become less compressible and more rigid, causing P waves to increase in speed, not slow down. Why die out rapidly is incorrect? Because P wave do lose some energy with distance, but increased pressure at greater depth does not cause them to die out rapidly. Why option D is incorrect? Travel at the same velocity. It is incorrect because P wave velocity depends on the properties of the medium through which they travel. Higher pressure increase rigidity and decrease compressibility, so velocity increase. So the next question is, fuel ratio of a coal is defined as: option A is moisture volatile matter, option B is pyritic sulfatic sulfur ratio, option C is organic sulfur upon organic phosphorus ratio, or option D is fixed carbon upon volatile carbon. So option D is correct here. Fixed carbon upon volatile carbon, the ratio is known as fuel ratio of the coal. Here moisture is water present in the coal, volatile matter is like CO2, H2O, CH4 gaseous product. Sulfur form in the coal, pyritic iron sulfide, FeS2 form, CaSO4, MgSO4 form. Organic matter include sulfur and phosphorus. So the option is fixed carbon upon volatile carbon. Now the last question is, a pinacoid is a form of consisting of 2 faces, 1 faces, 3 faces, 6 faces. So option A is correct here. 2 faces. Here you can see on the top 1 face, on the bottom 1 face. So face number 1 here, face number 2 here. A pinacoid contains 2 faces. 1 face does not form pinacoid. 3 face found prism or pyramid, not in pinacoid. 6 face basically form a cube. So other options are correct here, incorrect here.